We will go with vegetables for today.
So the vegetables.
Yes.
Vegetables andre ತರಕಾರಿಗಳು ತರಕಾರಿ. So lady's finger ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ.
Lady's finger ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ.
Cucumber ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ.
Cucumber ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ.
Cabbage ಎಲೆಕೋಸು.
Cabbage ಎಲೆಕೋಸು.
Drumstick ನುಗ್ಗೆಕಾಯಿ.
Drumstick ನುಗ್ಗೆಕಾಯಿ.
Pumpkin ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ.
Pumpkin ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ.
Bitter gourd ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ.
Bitter gourd ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ.
Snake gourd ಪಡವಲಕಾಯಿ.
Snake gourd ಪಡವಲಕಾಯಿ.
Lemon ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
Lemon ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು.
Ridge gourd ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ.
Ridge gourd ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ.
Green chilies ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ.
Green chilies ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ.
Onion ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ.
Onion ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ.
Garlic ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ.
Garlic ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ.
Next ginger ಶುಂಠಿ.
Ginger ಶುಂಠಿ.
Potato ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ.
Potato ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ.
Brinjal ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ.
Brinjal ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ.
Beans ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ.
Beans ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ. Varshini, would you like to repeat?
Yes, ma'am. Lady's finger ಬೆಂಡೆಕಾಯಿ. Cucumber ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ. Cabbage ಎಲೆಕೋಸು.
ಎಲೆಕೋಸು.
ಎಲೆಕೋಸು. Ma'am, should I continue?
Yeah.
Drumstick ನುಗ್ಗೆಕಾಯಿ. Pumpkin ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ. Bitter gourd ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ.
Swaminathan sir, would you like to? Swaminathan sir?
Swaminathan sir, would you like to continue?
Varshini, you only can continue. Yes. It's not online.
Okay, ma'am. Snake gourd ಪಡವಲಕಾಯಿ. Lemon ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. Ridge gourd ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ. Green chilies ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. Onion ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ. Garlic ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ. Ginger ಶುಂಠಿ. Potato ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ. Brinjal ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ. Beans ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ.
So today we learn something very interesting. That is, from few of our vegetables, we are going to see what yummy dishes are made in our South Karnataka. In our Karnataka. Over to you.
So dishes of some vegetables from the brinjal, badanekai, brinjal curry, badanekai, ennegai. For the brinjal curry, what we call ennegai. Potato, alugade. From potato, potato curry, alugade palya. So all the curries, what we call in Kannada, it is palya. Drumstick, nuggekai. Drumstick sambar, nuggekai sambar. Next, ridge guard, hirekai. What we can prepare from ridge guard? Ridge guard bhaji, hirekai bhaji. Beans, hurulikai, beans curry, hurulikai palya. Lemon, nimbe hannu, lemon pickle, nimbe hannu, uppinakai. In Kannada, pickles what we call uppinakai. Bitter gourd, ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ, bitter gourd fry, ಕರಿದ ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ. ಕರಿಯೋದು means frying in the oil. Pumpkin, ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ, pumpkin halwa, ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ halwa. Cucumber, ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ, cucumber salad, ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೋಸಂಬರಿ.
Shlok, would you mind to unmute? We have learned something new today.
Yes, ma'am.
We have learned something new. We'll just refresh from vegetables. Hope you are not there on Thursday also. So we'll just refresh.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm off my camera because I'm traveling, ma'am.
No problem. No problem. Uma ma'am, just read it so that Shlok can understand what exactly it is.
Ma'am, almost student joined, na?
No, that is a teacher only. That's fine.
Okay, fine. So the vegetables we call in Kannada tarakari. First one is lady's finger, bende kai. Cucumber, saute kai. Cabbage, elekosu. Next, drumstick, nugge kai. Pumpkin, kumbalakai. Bitter gourd, ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ. Snake gourd, ಪಡವಲಕಾಯಿ. Lemon, ನಿಂಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. Ridge gourd, ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ. Green chilies, ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. Onion, ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ. Garlic, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ.
I want to eliminate only the middle western and convert it into
Ginger, ಶುಂಠಿ. Potato, ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ. Brinjal, ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ. Beans, ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ.
Shlok, would you like to read some of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
ಹಸಿರು ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. Onion, ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ. Garlic, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ.
Good.
Go ahead.
Ginger, ಶುಂಠಿ. Potato, ಆಲೂಗಡ್ಡೆ. Brinjal, ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ. Beans, ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ.
Yes. Swaminathan sir. Oh, he's connecting. Okay, we'll see something today that is that we do some curries or whatever the special things that is done in our Karnataka using this vegetables. Shlok, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now ma'am is going to read it. You can just hear to her, then you can repeat later.
So there are some dishes made up of vegetables, dishes of some vegetables. From brinjal, what we can prepare? Brinjal curry. In Kannada we call Badanekayi, Ennegayi, Badnekai, Ennegayi. Potato, Alugade, potato curry, Alugade palya. Curries we call
Basically, this
palya.
yes, all this potato palya goes with dosa.
Yeah. And this ennegai with roti.
Jawar roti.
Tasted South Indian dishes, roti.
Yes. Yes.
And drumstick sambar, nugge kai sambar. I think everyone knows this. Then ridge guard bhaji. So bhaji also can be prepared from hirekai bhaji. Beans curry, hurulikai palya. Lemon pickle, nimbe hannu uppinakai. So uppinakai means pickles.
That goes very good with curd rice. Yes.
Bitter gourd fry, karida hagalakai, pumpkin halwa, kumbalakai halwa, cucumber salad, sautekai kosambari.
Yes. Swaminathan sir, would you like to read it out? Sir, are you able to hear me?
What is there and Balaji was telling you to remove the cover, they might not be able to access the next of
Shlok, can you unmute and read it out?
So if they don't have a cover, this side somebody can put
Yes,
it
ma'am.
from the other side.
Brinjal, Badanekayi, brinjal curry, Badanekayi, ennegai. Potato, ennegai. Potato, alugade. Potato curry, alugade palya. Drumstick, nuggekai. Drumstick sambar, nuggekai sambar.
I do agree that is not possible.
Ridge guard,
Ridge guard bhaji.
Bhaji.
Yeah. Hirekai bhaji.
Ridge guard is his ridge guard bhaji is kai, means liya. Lemon, nimbe hannu. Lemon pickle, nimbe hannu, uppunikai. Uppinakai.
Yes. Okay. Varshini, can you read it out?
Yes, ma'am. Bitter gourd fry, karida hagalakai, pumpkin halwa, kumbalakai halwa, cucumber salad, sautekai kosambari.
Very good. Okay. So we are just moving on today with verbs. In English, we have like verbs that shows action, all these things, we know the meanings. But today we are going to learn in Kannada what is verb and how we are supposed to use it. Uma?
Okay. Come, ba, illi ba, come here. I am coming.
Come,
Yes,
ba. I am coming.
I am coming means bartidini. On the way we call no, on the way. So that is bartaidini, bartidini.
I am coming, bartaidini, ka bartini.
I will come, bartini.
I will come, bartini.
The table of water.
I came, bande.
I came, bande.
I had come, bandide.
I had come, bandidde.
Bandidde is. I was coming, barta idde.
I was coming, barta idde.
I will have come, bandirtini.
I will have come, bandirtini.
I can come, barbahudu.
I can come.
Barabahudu.
I can come, barabahudu.
Can I come, barbahuda?
Can I come, barbahuda?
Should I or he, I, she, for this barbeka? There are also question
Should I
mark.
come or he come or she come? Barbeka. Barbeka. Okay. Sir, are you able to talk? Swaminathan sir, we are not able to hear you. Your audio is not audible. Varshini, can you read this? Only the Kannada part?
Yes, ma'am. Bartaidini, Bartini, Bande, Bandide, Bartaide, Bantinde,
Bandide.
Bartaide, Bandirtini, Barbahudu, Barbohuda, Barbeka.
Yes. Would you like to make a sentence using any of these words?
Yes, ma'am, I'll try. Nanage I am coming to your home, so Nanage
Nanu nimma manege barabahuda.
Nanu nimma manege barta.
Barbahuda. Can I
Sorry,
come means barbahuda.
Barboda. Okay.
Yes. Shlok, would you like to unmute and make a sentence?
Ma'am?
Would you like to make a sentence using these words?
Ma'am, no, ma'am, I'm traveling.
All right. Swaminathan sir, would you like to make a sentence?
I did not hear anything. Just now.
You did not hear anything?
No, I'm not hearing any. I didn't hear anything.
Are you able to hear me now?
Yes.
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 So Uma will read it out. No, Uma will read it out for you. You just listen and repeat after her, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
video is not coming.
So the verbs we are practicing today. Come, ba. I am coming. Barta idini. I will come. Bartini. I came. Bande. I had come. Bandidde. I was coming. Barta idde. I will have come. Bandirtini. I can come. Barbahudu. Can I come? Barbahuda. Should I or he, I or she can come. So for all this, barbeka.
Sir, would you like to make a sentence?
Nanu bandidini.
Nanu
Yes, correct.
Very good.
Nanu barta idini.
Yes.
Correct.
Nanu barubahudu.
Nan barbahuda. Nam Kannada classic nan barbahuda. Nim Kannada classic.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಬರಬಹುದಾ?
Yes. Okay. Shall we move on to the next words? Yes. Uma?
Yes, ma'am. Will you come? Bartiya.
Will you come?
Had you come?
Yes. Bhartiya, had you come?
Bandidya.
Bandidya.
Are you coming? Barta idiya.
Are you coming? Barta idya.
Did you come? Bandya.
Did you come? Bandya.
Have to keep coming. Barta irbeku.
Have to keep coming. Barta irbeku.
Should I surely come? Barlebeka.
Should I surely come? Barlebeka.
Must have come. Bandirbeku.
Must have come. Bandirbeku.
She will come. Bartale.
She will come. Bartale.
He will come. Bartane.
He will come. Bartane.
They will come. Bartare.
They will come. Bartare. ಯಾರ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಷಿಣಿ, ವುಡ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದಿಸ್?
Yes, ma'am. ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ, ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ, ಬಂದ್ಯಾ, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾ, ಬಂದಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬರ್ತಾರೆ,
Bartane.
ಬರ್ತಾನೆ.
Would you like to make a sentence?
Yes, ma'am. ನಾನು ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾ?
Yes. ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಲೇಬೇಕಾ? Should I come? Really?
I believe that is because of that.
Shlok, would you like to read?
They will not be able to maintain.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
That's the issue.
Will you come? Bartiya. Had you come? Bandidya. Are you come? Bartaidiya. Did you come? Bandya. Have to keep coming. Bartarbeku. Should I surely come? Barlebeka. Must have come. Bandirbeku. She will come. Bartale. He will come. Bartane. They will come. Bartare.
Very good, Shlok. Very good. Yes. Uma ma'am.
Next, she has come. Bandidale. He has come. Bandidane. They have come. Bandidare. She is coming. Barta idale. He is coming. Barta idane. They are coming. Barta idare.
Yeah.
She came. Bandalu.
Yeah, that's
He
what
came. Bandanu. They came. Bandaru. She had come. Bandidlu.
Yes. Varshini, repeat.
Yes, ma'am. She has come. ಬಂದಿದ್ದಳೆ. He has come. ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. 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 He has come. ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. They have come. ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. She is coming. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. He is coming. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. Respectful, they are coming. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. She came. ಬಂದಳು. He came. ಬಂದನು. They respectful came. ಬಂದಾರು. She had come. ಬಂದಿದ್ದಳು.
ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು.
Would you like to make a sentence? ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು.
ಬಂದಿದ್ಲು.
Okay. Yes. Would you like to make a sentence? Try it out. If it is wrong also, we can just correct it there.
Yes.
No?
Nannage friend.
Nanna friend.
What do you call it? Nanna friend. Naale maneke batta idale.
Yes.
Very
Very
good.
good. Very good. Yes. Shlok, would you like to read it out?
Yeah, 38.
Shlok?
38.
Yes. I don't think so. He is there. Yes.
Okay. He had come. Bandidnu. They had come. Bandidru.
Yes. Okay. Till now, do you have any doubts, Varshini?
No, ma'am.
You are clear, right? Shall we move,
Yes,
move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Vidya, we have 4 knockouts there.
Yes, Suma.
They are only using 2.
Avan is Avana. For him, Avanige. From him, Avaninda. Through him, Avana Mulaka. His, Avanadu. He only, Avane. They both, Avaribbaru. Than him, Avaniginta. For his sake, Avanigoskara. Because of him, Avana Saluvagi. With him, Avana Jote. Near him, Avana Hattira. She, Avalu. Her, Avala. For her, Avalige. From her, Avalinda. Through her, Avala Mulaka. Hers, Avaladu. She only, Avale. Than her, Avaliginta. For her sake, Avaligoskara. Because of her, Avala Salavagi. With her, Avala Jote. Near her, Avala Hattira.
Yes. Would you like to read it out? Only Kannada? Varshini?
ಅವನ ಸಲವಾಗಿ ಅವನ ಜೊತೆ ಅವನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಅವಳು ಅವಳ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅವಳಿಂದ ಅವಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವಳದು
Avaladu.
ಅವಳದು. Should I continue, ma'am?
Yeah. Continue.
ಅವಳೆ ಅವಳಿಗಿಂತ ಅವಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವಳ
It is la, avalu, avale, la it is.
Okay. ಅವಳೆ ಅವಳಿಗಿಂತ ಅವಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವಳ ಸಲವಾಗಿ ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ಅವಳ ಹತ್ತಿರ.
Yes. Uma, can you just make a sentence of any of these words so that they can follow you?
For example, who took your book means she only. Avale book ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. She only took the book. Than her. My sister is taller than my brother. ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಮ್ಮನಿಗಿಂತ ಅವಳಿಗಿಂತ height ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. So we compare no small and bigger brother. For that we compare ಅವಳಿಗಿಂತ. So ಅವಳಿಗಿಂತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತಾನೆ, ಅವಳಿಗಿಂತ height ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, like this. ಅವಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ my friend, ಅವಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. For her sake you buy gift no in that moment. ಅವಳ ಸಲವಾಗಿ I woke up early because of her. ಅವಳ ಸಲವಾಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೆ. ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue.
ಅವಳ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕು. I want to speak with her. ಅವಳ ಹತ್ತಿರ. ನನ್ನ ಪೆನ್ ಅವಳ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದೆ.
Okay. Would you like to do something, Varshini?
No.
No? Okay. We have less than 4 minutes. We'll just recall from the first. Like, if you have any doubts, we can just clear it out for you. Are you okay with this question words?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you just read it out?
Okay, ma'am. What, ಏನು, why, ಯಾಕೆ, how, ಹೇಗೆ, how many, ಎಷ್ಟು, ಎಷ್ಟು. Who, ಯಾರು, where, ಎಲ್ಲಿ, which, ಯಾವ, is it, ಹೌದಾ.
Very good. Shlok, would you like to read it out, Shlok? Are you there? Shlok? I don't think he's there.
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like to read it out, this question words?
Okay. What, why, ಯಾಕು, how, ಹೇಗೆ, how much, ಎಷ್ಟು.
Yes.
ಯಾರು, where, ಎಲ್ಲಿ, which, ಯಾವ, is it, ಹೌದಾ.
Hauda. Okay, so we are going to continue our class on Wednesday. Hopefully, if we are not completing the syllabus, we can just extend one more day. Okay, Wednesday at the same time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right then.
Yes.
Then I'll stop sharing my screen. So Varshini, would you like to tell how did you feel the class? How helpful is it?
Ma'am, it was very useful. Like, I studied here like 3 years in Bangalore, but then I found out that it's very difficult without Kannada, like to communicate with the auto drivers.
Yeah, exactly.
Even if I try to speak in Kannada, the next minute they understand that I'm not. I don't talk.
That's true. That's true. I understand exactly. Yes, yes. All
That's
right.
why I wanted to learn. I really found this useful, ma'am.
You're most welcome. There is so much to learn. We'll just finish it off by next 3 classes, hopefully. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
And see you on Wednesday. See you on Wednesday.